Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So here this video will help you how to measure the length of objects or area correctly. So let us know what are the correct ways. So here in the model you can see a scale placed on a wooden plank. If you want to measure a smaller distance, for example, a, small area like a length of your book, okay, length of your table. So you can use a small 15 centimeter scale to measure the length of small objects. Now, in case if you want to measure the length of a pencil, so here you can use a 15 centimeter scale and measure the length of your pencil. Now, if you want to measure the length of the wall in a room, then you need to use a measuring meter scale for measuring a length of the wall or length of the window. Here you are supposed to use a meter scale which is larger than the centimeter scale, that is 15 centimeter scale. Then next, if you want to measure, okay, if you want to measure the girth of the stem of a tree, then you can use a meter measuring tape. You measuring tape can be folded, so you can easily measure the girth of the stem. Next, if you want to measure length of a particular object or a particular paper, here you can see the correct way. In in this you see that how the scale is placed. The scale is not placed properly. So this is not the correct way of measuring. The correct way of measuring is the measuring scale should be placed properly horizontally on the object which is to be measured. Next is Next is how to measure if suppose an object is what you say, your scale is broken. Okay, if suppose your scale is broken, here in this model you can see the scale is broken here on this end. This end the scale is broken. If you want to measure using a broken scale, what you should do is you have to start measuring this broken end, you have to leave and you have to start measuring from this end. That is one a little ahead. You have to keep your scale on the corner. For example, 0 is not visible on your scale, it is broken at that end. Then you can place start measuring from first. And now for instance, here you have a piece of paper. You are measuring this piece of paper with the help of a 15 centimeter scale. So you place the first end, one end of the paper on one, and the paper is coming till 10.4 here. Now, because you have started from 1, you can subtract 1 centimeter from this 10.4. So, here you can see 10.4 minus 1 centimeter is equals to 9.4 centimeter. So, the length of this paper is 9.4 centimeter. So, in this way, you can measure in case your scale is broken on any end. Next thing is, while measuring, what are the precautions you should follow? For example, here you can see you are measuring the scale. Now, if you keep your eye inclined or in this direction or any other direction making an angle, then you will not get an accurate measurement. So, where should you place your eye? Your eye should be placed straight. Your eye should be placed straight in this at this place. Okay, you have to place your eye here so that you get an accurate measurement. If you place your eye, okay, at an angle from the scale, either this side or that side, you will not get accurate measurement. So this also you should keep in mind while measuring. Okay, so these are the correct ways which can help you for measuring length of any object.